Hello everyone, so we're back again for another video. In this video, I am going to share to you some cancer fighting foods. So let's start off in defining what is the meaning of cancer. Cancer is an ailment caused by unrepressed development and spread of abnormal cells. So this fatal disease builds up in two different stages. The first stage is the initiation stage where the healthy cell is tainted, and the next stage is the promotion stage where the abnormal cell multiplies. So, having cancer-fighting foods in our daily diet is a great start. Always remember the saying, prevention is better than cure. So, here are some of the anti-cancer recipes that I can share to you. First off, we're going to start in tuna ceviche. This is a very simple dish because very simple. Combine garlic, ginger, sesame seeds, chili pepper, light soy, sesame oil, honey, and wasabi. So you're just going to add tuna and the yap juice and then mix well, plate, and serve. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, while the yap and calamansi juice are rich in vitamin C, which help us strengthen our immune system. For the next recipe, we have sinigang na maya-maya sa santol. This is a Filipino dish that is very easy to do. You'll need to saute garlic, onion, tomatoes, and radish in coconut oil. Add the eggplant, sigarilyas, fresh maya-maya, vegetable stock, blended santol, okra, and chili. Add a pinch of salt. When the mixture boils, add the kangkong. Wait for a few minutes, then it's ready to be served. Cancer patients usually have problems in digestion, so it is recommended that they take more soups or dishes with broth. Meanwhile, eggplants and sigarilyas contains antioxidants which helps in removing toxins from the body. Lastly, we have guyabano pandan, lemon, and honey tea. So in this tea, you'll be needing fresh guyabano leaves, pandan leaves, lemon juice, honey, and water. You only have to boil the water, add guyabano and pandan leaves with lemon and honey. Then wait until the mixture reduces into half, and then it's ready to be served. So the benefit of the honey is that it has anti-inflammatory properties which help ease swelling caused by tumors. So next is I am going to share to you some fruits and vegetables that we should consume regularly to fight cancer. First is carrots. Carrots help in preventing cancer by inhibiting abnormal cells, strengthening our immune system, and protecting cell membranes. Next, we have spinach and other leafy vegetables. These leafy vegetables are rich in folic acid, and the main function of folic acid is to maintain cells' genetic code and to regulate normal cell division. Next, we have mushroom. Mushroom helps to build a solid immune system which helps in preventing cancer. Lectin, a protein which is found in mushroom, is known to kill cancer cells and stops them from multiplying. Next is tomatoes. Tomatoes are known to have lycopene and vitamin C. Lycopene are antioxidants that fight free radicals which are caused by cancer. And vitamin C are known to protect cells from being damaged or altered by cancer cells. Lastly, we have raspberries. Raspberries are good source of antioxidants. These fruits hold several types of vitamins and minerals that aid cancer prevention. So that's all guys in this video. I hope you learned something new and I hope you'll stay safe and stay healthy and drink a lot of water. Thank you guys for watching.